Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sports Info Now. Here we are with the daily edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. We bring some latest WWE news and update including Roman Reigns' Royal Rumble 2021 opponent, while Bayley's dream WrestleMania plan, and more important WWE stories. So watch this video till the end to not miss out any important WWE updates. Before we start the video, we request you to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So without further ado, let's start our video. Number 5 is Roman Reigns' Royal Rumble 2021 opponent revealed. We see last week on SmackDown episode, Jey Uso attacked Daniel Bryan backstage. He caused Daniel Bryan a match against Sami Zayn. Now WWE rumors stated that about Roman Reigns' Royal Rumble 2021 plans. After seeing the end of the Daniel Bryan vs Sami Zayn match on the SmackDown episode, it looks like WWE penciled Roman Reigns' opponent for Royal Rumble 2021 match. So here is the latest WWE news. They did that finish and Daniel Bryan's the guy who will at least for right now scheduled to face Roman Reigns at Royal Rumble 2021. We previously discussed that Roman Reigns' possible opponent for Royal Rumble 2021 could be the Red Daniel Bryan, and now things are almost confirmed. Now we have to wait some time to officially kick off the feud, and we may see this right after the TLC 2020 pay-per-view. Here are WWE's latest update. The thing is that when it comes to Daniel Bryan, a lot of what happens with him is own doing because he's creative and everything. And he's, I am sure, very much thinking how he wants to done. But then again, this has happened before too. I mean, there is a periods, there are a couple of years ago when they are going to do the big Roman Reigns Daniel Bryan program that they never go to. I mean, it just never end up that way. They brought Eric Rowan into the program and they never even got to Daniel Bryan. So this could be the happen again. As per the current scenario, Roman Reigns said to face Daniel Bryan at Royal Rumble 2021. But what for TLC 2020 pay-per-view? So maybe WWE could have booked Jey Uso vs Daniel Bryan match for TLC pay-per-view. For Roman Reigns, it looked like Kevin Owens could be the face him for Universal Championship at TLC pay-per-view. Number 4 is Bayley talked about her dream plans for WrestleMania. Since Bayley made his heel turn last year, she had a great run in WWE with SmackDown Women's Championship. She gave amazing feud and matches during his historic title run. She holds SmackDown Women's Championship for 380 days. Recently, Sasha Banks saw her dream plans for her main event WrestleMania, that is, she wants to face Bayley at the biggest stage of them all. In the recent interview, Bayley talked about what she wants in WrestleMania in the future. She said that she is a big fan of Hayley Williams. She wants to be her play out her WrestleMania in the future. Here is Bayley's words. To be honest, I have mentioned it to the WWE music producer and we talked about it for last year. But she walked like a beginning or no. I guess it would be this year, at the beginning of this year. So before the pandemic, before we know that WrestleMania we gonna be in front of nobody. And we are actually trying to figure out how to get and going, how to make it work. Like we are having phone calls about it and then all that happened and we couldn't do it. So we'll see. It never gonna stop trying because they are the dream moment for me and a dream WrestleMania moment for me. So Hayley Williams, let's do it, come on. Earlier, Hayley Williams told that the Bayley can use her song Simmer for her entrance at WrestleMania 37. Now it's interesting to see if Hayley Williams come personally and sing the song at WrestleMania 37. Number 3 is WWE had stipulation in Raw's Triple Threat match. For this week Raw episode, WWE booked Triple Threat number 1 contender match for WWE Championship. This match featured AJ Styles, Matt Riddle and Keith Lee, and the winner will face Drew McIntyre at TLC 2020 pay-per-view. As per the WWE's official announcement, WWE had one stipulation in this match, which is the sudden death Triple Threat match. So now it's interesting to see this battle between 3 top WWE superstars. This sudden death stipulation is a form of the match where the match ends as soon as one competitor is going ahead with other and declare him as a winner of the match. So now fans wondering how this stipulation give an impact on this match. If you want to know our thought on this, then we think that heel superstars like AJ Styles and Braun Strowman, if Braun Strowman come into the match and WWE still has a plan to do match Braun Strowman versus Drew McIntyre at TLC, then we'll get benefit from these stipulations. Both heel superstars can play their heel tactics and pick up a win in the match and face Drew McIntyre. Because of these stipulations, the heel tactics, these other 2 face superstars did not show any weak in the match and the heel superstar won. So we go with the AJ Styles or Braun Strowman who are going to win this match and face Drew McIntyre at TLC pay-per-view. Number 2 is Kevin Owens sent a message to Paul Heyman and Roman Reigns. We saw that last week on SmackDown, Jey Uso tried to punish Kevin Owens on the order of Roman Reigns. But things are changed suddenly and Kevin Owens gave a brutal attack on Jey Uso. In the Talking Smack episode, Paul Heyman told that he wants to have a conversation with Kevin Owens, who is a guest for the show. On the show, Paul Heyman shook the hand of former WWE Universal Champion. While Paul Heyman said that he had so much respect for Kevin Owens and knew that how dangerous Kevin Owens is. Paul Heyman also said that he knew Kevin Owens and liked him even before he made his debut in the WWE. No tag team partner can trust him and Kevin Owens. In the end, he told that he looking forward to see a fight between Roman Reigns and Kevin Owens. In reply, Kevin Owens said that, "Are you done? You seems like relish in the fact that I am sitting here in front of you tonight. After what I did on SmackDown last night, one seems to be realized to the fact that I am sitting here in front of you today almost like you think it's somehow going to be a for Roman Reigns. Because Paul, as much as I respect you, as much as I admire you, as much as I looked up to you for many years, I know you are really only one for one person. I am not Roman Reigns. It's you if you think to getting involved in this. Whatever you want to call it, that these things that you have Roman Reigns is somehow going to be positive for him. Because you just said that it's right. A champion is only as good as the contenders he puts down. Let me tell you this, because everything you said is absolutely true. Just know this, I am going to be a good for Roman Reigns or you. Because once Roman Reigns find his balls against and stop having to his cousins do his dirty work, I will be there. And you know what I am, Paul? I'm a good guy. I am not a bad guy. I am the guy. I will beat Roman Reigns and take his Universal Championship from him. After this message, Kevin Owens dropped the mic and shook the hand of Paul Heyman. Paul Heyman said that he shook hand because he does not want to get hit and send his message to Roman Reigns. Number 1 is Braun Strowman's injury update. Recently, WWE suspended Braun Strowman for attacking WWE official Adam Pearce on Raw. This week on Raw, triple threat match is set for number 1 contender who faced Drew McIntyre for WWE Championship at TLC pay-per-view. Now WWE latest update and news suggested that Braun Strowman is suffering from an injury right now, but no one knows how serious it was. WWE's news stated that this Braun Strowman's injury may take him off from TLC 2020 pay-per-view, which is held next week. WWE updates told that the winner of this triple match will face Drew McIntyre at TLC show. Here is what WWE spoilers. Really kick on Strowman. So Braun Strowman do have knee injury because he is being treated for it. I don't know the severity of. The impression I have is that he is not going to be at TLC. There's 3 ways to going to be for the sport, but I don't know that 100%. I don't know if anyone knows, from the what someone told me. The writing team still thinks it's Strowman after Monday. I would hear that part, the writing team still thinks it's Strowman. It's probably not. So that is the story with Strowman. Definitely there's a knee injury involved with here. So that's the story. Now let's just wait for the next week's episode of Raw, then things are clear on that show. This is all from our edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. Hope you will enjoy it. Before you leave, please do like, subscribe, share, comment and press the bell icon for instant video notifications. So see you guys in our next video.